name is Evelyn Marroquin, and I'm a rec leader from the City of Santa Maria Recreation and Parks. And today we are going to be making Valentine cocoa bombs, and we're going to be working in the kitchen with some heat. So I will be showing you how to prepare correctly and safely. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to put your chocolate in a bowl, and you're going to put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds, and then you're going to take it out, and then you're going to mix it, okay? Okay, so you're going to want to put it in 30-second increments each time. So then it's going to start to melt like that. And then you should have a consistency of your chocolate like that. Okay, perfect. Now you want to get your mold, and you're going to lightly cover each hole. You want to make sure to get a smooth, even layer on each side, okay? Okay, so once you have them all filled in, now it's time to put them in the refrigerator. So what you're going to want to do is put your mold in the refrigerator for about 5 minutes so it can harden. Okay, so now that the chocolate is cool, we're going to take our molds and we're going to pop them out, okay? So easy like that. Perfect. And don't worry about this messy because we're going to clean that all up, okay? So there's one. And here is the other side. Perfect. Okay. So to clean off the edges, you're just going to simply flick it off like that. That one came out pretty good. Okay. So this step is going to be pretty fast. You're going to want to have your hot cocoa and your marshmallows ready to go while we go and melt the sides on the stove. So you're going to get your mold, and you're going to lightly just put it on the pan, and it's going to melt. Okay, that's one side. 2 sides. Okay. Get your hot cocoa. Pour some in there. Just like that. And some marshmallows. And then you're going to want to put both sides together. Just like that. And then you can get your finger and spread the chocolate around so it has a nice seal all around. And there's your cocoa bomb. Okay, so now that our cocoa bomb is all ready, we're going to decorate it. You're going to want to get your white chocolate, and you're going to want to melt it the same way as we did the chocolate, okay? And you're simply just going to drizzle it. Want to make sure to have that consistency. And you're simply just going to just like that. We're going to get our sprinkles. And you're going to lightly pour it on top. Just like that. Okay, so this is our February make and take, our Valentine cocoa bombs. My name is Evelyn Marroquin, and I'm a rec leader from the City of Santa Maria Recreation and Parks. Thank you for joining.